Hello everyone, in this video I just want to show you a product that is I have built, that is a universal profile generator. This is a basic product built around, like, if you are applying to the many jobs and getting the call from the recruiters, you may need to repeat the some of the question, like what is your CTC, current location, and other details, like for example resume, notice period, current notice period, what is the current company, preferred location, on all these things. So to solve this problem, I just created this short product here. So here you can just create a details, and you can share the link to the recruiter, and the recruiter that can directly see this kind of details through their browser itself. So it's very much simple. You just need to click on the create your profile here. That way you will be directly redirected to your profile form. So here I will be showing you how you can add the details. So let's say this is your name, this is your last name, this is something email ID. I can just take on this email ID from here, a temporary one, to show you a demo. And here you can just add some numbers here. Number should be a 10 number, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you should be having some current positions of engineer, the current name, organization, preferred location, expected CTC, negotiable it is expected, so we can put it as a number to something like this. Current CTC could be like somewhere around this one, so you can select also the currency, whatever the country you are from, and the location is open. What is the total experience? It is a 5 years. Notice period, you can say open to status for looking for this kind of details as well. Also your profiles, LinkedIn profile, website, early joining date, let's say if you are selected, how much after the date you can join this company. So let's say 1 day, and I can just remove the details. I can just add some of the details like demo part, select the role type, reason for change, summary. Then I can add some of the details of the skills, like this one that will be shown as a skill dash experience, number of years of experience. You can just click on the save profiles, and that will redirect to your profile preview page. So here you can see how the details will be laid down. Here I just show you a skill set. Here you can add the number of the skill set you have. You can provide also the feedback as well. Not currently, since you are not logged in, you can create directly your account from sign up, and these details will be reused for your email, username, first name, last name. Right, and then you can use some of the password, like let's say I use this password, simple password, and click on sign up, and that will send you a confirmation email, OTP, with the OTP to your email address. Here we must be able to see that email coming up here in a few seconds. Yeah, here it is. So this email will be sent from my personal email ID, that is this one, and there will be OTP as well. So I'll just copy and enter the OTP. Unless you verify your email address, the profile will not be created. So once you verify that one, the profile will be created. You will be directly logged into the product. You will be redirected to the edit page of this particular product, that is universal product profile generator. And here you will have to add 2 last details, that is your avatar. So I can select some of the avatar. Let's say go to the downloads and select this avatar. Then select the resume as well. So I can just select this resume, and you will have to update the profile. After updating the profile, you will be redirected to the home page mainly, where you will be having your complete URL. So I can just click on that one, and you will be able to see these details are available here. So this button here is for the people who may be creating the another account based on the details shared. So if I go to the another incognito tab, just paste it here. Okay, seems like I will have to log out. Then paste a link, and you will be able to see that this is a final preview that your recruiter will be able to see it. And here is a deal breaker text as well. If any one of the skill is not matched, then probably it will be a deal breaker for them as well. So here are some of the details why I created this particular screening URL. So you can see compensation alignment, logistic ability, high skill match, motivation fit, and all these things, and other things you can read about. So this is the product I want you to share with you. So if you liked it, please create a profile, share with your recruiters as well wherever possible, and get hired. Thank you so much.